This is our video for section 2.4. In this section, we're going to discuss net change and average rate of change. You should already know these definitions, but I'm going to repeat them here for you. The net change of a function f of x from x equals a to x equals b is f of b minus f of a. What does this mean? This means you plug in b, the second value, into your function f, and then you subtract off plugging in a into f of x. Really, what does that do? That gives us our change in the y value here, right? F of b and f of a are both y values. This is the y value corresponding to b minus the y value corresponding to a. Also, we have the definition for average rate of change here. So the average rate of change of f of x from x equals a to x equals b is the average rate of change is just the change in y divided by the change in x. Well, the change in y is the net change, which we just calculated, so it's f of b minus f of a. The change in x is just the difference between the two x values, so that's b minus a. So I want to do an example with that. Our example says to find the net change and average rate of change of the function f of x is equal to 1 plus 2x squared from x equals 3 to x equals 3 plus h. So to do this, we want to plug in and find f of b. All right, so what is f of b here? Well, that is b is our second x value. So our second x value is 3 plus h. So really this is the same as what is f of 3 plus h, right? So what do we do with that? Well, we plug that in for everywhere we see x in the function 1 plus 2x squared. So this is 1 plus 2 times, and then when we see an x, we replace that with 3 plus h, we square it. So this is 1 plus 2 times, right, 3 plus h squared. Well, 3 plus h squared is 3 times 3 for the first part, so it's 9. And then we're going to do 3 times h, but that'll happen twice. So we get plus 3h plus 3h. And then we have h times h, so that's plus h squared. So this becomes 1 plus 2 times 9 plus 6h plus h squared. All right, so this is 1 plus 18 plus 12h plus 2h squared. And finally, that is, let's write the h squared first. So it's 2h squared plus 12h plus 19. Then we need to plug in a, so f of a. Well, a is just x equals 3. So this is just f of 3. So this is 1 plus 2 times 3 squared. And 3 squared is 9, times 2 is 18, plus 1 is 19. We essentially already did that calculation over here. So our net change is f of b minus f of a, which is in fact 2h squared plus 12h plus 19. That is our f of b. We want to subtract off f of a, which was 19. The 19's cancel, and we get 2h squared plus 12h. Average rate of change is f of b minus f of a all over b minus a. Well, we've already done the f of b minus f of a calculation, right? That was our net change. So this is in fact just our previous answer, 2h squared plus 12h. And all divided by b minus a. B was 3 plus h. And a was 3. So this is b minus a. And we get 2h squared plus 12h divided by the 3's cancel, so this is just all over h. Here, this h cancels with an h in each term in the numerator. So this becomes 2h plus 12. And we're done.